Good guys, Bing here. So today we are going to try this one. Okay, so first let me just roughly explain this. We are going to just model part of this roof. So it will be, so this will be the main structure, right? So and then from this structure, all these diagonal members. Oh, is that right? Yeah, don't worry about this. So see these? They are supporting the roof on top, which is it's quite simple. We can use pattern-based family, and also there's more next to them, and then another one there, and then there will be another member. So let's do it. Okay, so let's go to Revit. So we're going to use, for this one, I'm going to use a modeling place mask. So let's create a project first. So okay, so let's go to floor plan. So I'm going to just draw some walls. So go maybe just maybe a generic wall. I'll just make it roughly maybe 20 meter by 20 meter. Okay, so and also let's go to 3D view, maybe increase the height a little bit, maybe 8 meter. Okay, so now let's start. So modeling place mass. Okay, so first I'm going to place a point you draw on face, and so I can snap onto the midpoint on this wall, and then I'm going to just change this one to not associated. So now we can copy this one. So I'm going to copy this one to the other side. Okay, and then I'm going to copy them up by a very small number. So for example 10 or even like 100. Now I'll just type WF so we can see all the points. So we can't create a spline by selecting all these 4, because we'll create this spline. So we are going to select these 2 together with the points on the top spline, and then control select this point. Oh, sorry, try again. Control select create. Now we have this one, and then let's make it reference line. So we might, this looks like it's not tall enough, right? So it need to probably go up here. So let's place a point, use draw on face, and I'll just place on this midpoint, select it, and make point driving. So now we can select this point and drag this up. So I think I'll just leave it here. Okay, so now we're going to create actually, yeah, that's fine. I'm going to create, I'll just do a screenshot here. So this is the elevation view. So I'm going to just create a roof, something like this, and then we're going to place some structure to support this roof. Okay, so now let's go to 3D view. Okay, so we are in 3D view. For that roof, I think how am I going to do this? Okay, so I'm going to just let me think. I'll do the same thing actually. Oh, hang on. I'll just place maybe I'll just place a point here. Yeah, and also I'll just change to not associated, and then let me just copy this one to the other side. So now we have this. We might need one in the middle, right? So maybe I'll copy this one up roughly. So now we have this. Okay, And we can probably just create a form bar. Yeah, so see. And we can just type in so like imagine the width, I don't know, 2 meter. I'll try. Okay, so 2 meter on one side. Oh, not 2 millimeter, 2 meter. Yeah. Okay, so now we have this. Is that wide enough? How about 3 meter? Yeah, I think that's fine. And then we can select, let me change it to SD shade. Now we can select, why is this point not? Oh, looks like, sorry about that. Maybe I need to adjust this point so it stay, yeah, on the, on the wall. Okay, so select this, and then we can use divided surface. So I'm going to use, because these panel, yeah, probably easier if we use number, because we know that the number, there will be 4 panels in this direction. So let's try, I'm not sure which ones, try 4. Yeah, that's it. And also if I change this one from fixed number to like a fixed distance or maximum space, so this will roughly give us an exact distance, because we use 3 meter and 3 meter. So overall 6 divided by 4 is 1.5. So we can use the 1.5 for this direction, so it will give us almost a rectangular shape. Okay, so the next step is yeah, we can do the panels quite easily. So let's just quickly do one. It can be a pattern based family. We just need 1, 2, 3. So for now, I'm going to just connect them. Just use model line, connect these 2, and also these 2, and then I'll just load this one into here, into this project. Select it, go to the drop down menu. That's it. So you can see. Looks like, yeah, don't worry about that, because once we repeat this, copy this to here, so we have that, we will have something there, right? What's next? So now we need to connect, right? So okay, so let's roughly calculate. So we can use the divided path. So imagine if we place a family 1 family here to support this 4 corner, and then we need another 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, another 1, 1, 2. So it's not many. So I'll try to use divided path. Maybe let's try number 8 for now. So 8, maybe not 9. So this connect to this, this connect to this, this connect to this, and this connect to that. I'm not sure actually. So roughly middle. So and then go up. Oh, that's another one. So we need, yeah, we probably need 2 more points. So let's just make it 11. So this goes support this, this support this, this support this, this support this, and then this can, go to the wall, right? Something like this. So and also we need this one go up to that corner as well. Yeah, okay. So now how can we quickly connect from these nodes to this pattern-based family? So we need a family, adaptive family. Let's go to generic model adaptive. So again, very simple. So we need 5 adaptive points. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then I'll just move this 5. Okay, so it's move the 0.5 down a little bit, so we can tell the relationship. So we need 1, 5. We need 2, 5, we need a 3, 5, and 4, 5. Okay, and this is it. Now let's load this one into the project again. Let's go to 3D view. Before we place this adaptive family, we need to turn on the nodes on this divided surface. So select this divided surface, go to surface representation, and go to because we have the family, so we need to turn on the surface and go again. Yeah, turn on the nodes. Okay, so now we can place. So maybe I'll just try TL. No, different. There's no difference. TL, yes. Yeah, it's because of the scale. Yeah, maybe TL back. So at least we can see the nodes now. Okay, so I'm going to place a component. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4. So looks like, yeah, sometimes when you have issue placing that family, so you can rotate a little bit, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 will be the nodes. Yeah, actually I'm not sure. This is the point. If I tap, okay. Yeah, I don't know. Let's try. Okay, so I'll try repeat. Yeah, this is it. See? Now we have this. So we have all the support. So and what's next? Let me have a look again. So we have another one. So this go. So yeah, so we can also do it manually. So for example, we don't have a point here, so maybe we can just place a point. Let me think. Place a draw on face. Yeah, we can place. Actually, instead of placing point, we can directly place adaptive family. Okay, so I think this one's fine. So now I'm going to create a family for all these framing, and then we can use that in this pattern based family and also in this adaptive family. So let's do it. So we need another adaptive family. Okay, so in this family we need 2 points, make them adaptive, create a spline through point, and make it reference sign. So place a point, use draw on face onto this, and create a reference circle, draw over plane, set over plane, and place it here. So we're going to just add a dimension, di dimension, and we're going to create a d diameter parameter. So I'm going to use type or instance. Let's use type. Hang on. Let's use instance. Sorry. So we can select the dimensions and tick this box to change it to instance parameter. And let's copy CC and pick new host. Create a form and drag this point to this end and also the other one to the other end. So now we can change the size. So for now, diameter 100. Yeah, I'm not sure. Let's try 100. So I'm going to load this one. So first, let's load this one into here. Okay, so load into. What's the family name? Family 2. So let's load this one into family 2. And then I'm going to place. Before we place, I'll just select all these reference model lines to change them to a reference size. And then create component SE tab. Okay, so now we have this. Okay, now we can load this one into the project. So if we overwrite and let's have a look, go to 3D view. So we have all these. Okay, and then we're going to load these into the family 1. Let me think. family 1. Or actually, yeah, we don't even need a reference line. We can just use point, but yeah, that's fine. So no difference. Almost no difference. Anyway, so let's load this one into family 1. And okay, so I'll do the same. Maybe this time let's just delete all the model lines. So I'm going to place, this time I'm going to just pick the points. Okay, just try to pick the point. Yeah, I think that should be it. Now we can load this one into project and overwrite. Okay, so let's go to 3D view, and you will see we have all the frame on the top as well. Okay, so you might say, oh, can we have glass? Yes, we can. So let's quickly do it. So I'm going to select all these, HH, just temporarily hide them. Glass, yeah, we can probably just use this reference line to create a form, a solid form. Just give it a, maybe offset a little bit because we have some frame, right? So maybe I'll just make it 50. Oh, hang on. Let's use 20 mil, 24. Let's just make it 20 mil. So offset 50. Oh, maybe negative 50. So yeah, so it's offset 50 from the point because we have 100 a frame, right? So, and then we have this glass. So I'll just type in glass for the material. And this is it. So now if I type HR to bring back the frame and then load this one into the project again, overwrite. And let's have a look in 3D view. So now we have some framing. Oh, hang on, wrong side. Okay, so that's fine. So let's go back. So select this. We're going to change this one to 50 and change this one to negative 70. I think this should be it. Load this back and overwrite. Okay, so now we have this. So you might say, oh, can we have, different size? Yes, we can. So go back here, SA, select all. So maybe you can change this one to make them smaller, like roughly smaller, 75 maybe. And load this back, overwrite. See, now they are different size. So, okay, so then what's next? Okay, so now we can manually place that family as well. So this is family 3. So I'm going to load this one directly into a project. And let's go to 3D view. Go create component. So now we can go back here, family 3. So for example, I'll just start from this point and directly place a family, right? And also maybe we can change the size. I'll make it 150. Okay, so let's do another one. CS. Oh, looks like it doesn't work. CS, that's fine. Create similar, doesn't work. Create a component. So try to pick that point and then place another one. Try to pick the point here as well. Oh, where is it? Maybe wireframe WF. Okay, so now we have this. And also we can change the size. Okay, SD. And let me think. We can also manually place this one, right? So we can just go create component. And so 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So we can just do maybe let's use that wireframe WF because we can easily place onto the reference line. See, this is a reference line inside of this family. So we're going to use this reference line instead of, you know, the edge, the surface of this family. So I'm going to just place roughly, oh sorry, I'm using the wrong family. Okay, create component drop down menu, go back to the this one, family 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so now with this one, so you might say, oh, see, different height. That's fine. So we can try to, so you can try to move your cursor around here and tab until you pick that point, adaptive point in this adaptive family. So you will see this normalized curve parameter. So this is the location on this reference line inside of this family. So for example, we can change this one to 0.5. It will go to the middle point of this frame. Okay, so you can go change this one to 0.7, so it will go up, right? 0.6, it will come down, and then the same. So I just tab, select the point. So this one can be 0.3, for example, and you can just do the same on the other side. So it can make sure. So it looks like this is measured from the other side. So you can flip this. So we can just use the same number as the other side, right? So tab, click 0.7 to match. Oh yeah. Oh, sorry, I forgot to switch. 0.7. Oh, yeah. What number did I use? Oh, 0.6. Sorry, 0.6. Yeah. So this is how you can manually place this. So let me just delete this, and then you can. What else? What else do we need? Connect here. So yeah, that's fine. So we can also do another one. So these are what a size 100, I think. Create component. Go family 3, 100. We can from this point to this point. This point to this point, right? So very, very simple. What else? Shade SD. I think this is it. So yeah, so you might need some more, like connecting. We might also need one more here. So yeah, very simple. So yeah, so once you have another one here, so you can connect them as well. So I'll just add a couple more. So for example, one here, I'll type wireframe WF, so it's easier to do it this way, right? Where's the other one? Oh, over there. Okay, yeah, like this. Okay, so now let's ignore this bit. So I'm happy with this, so I'll just finish this mess. I'll change the shade. Maybe I'll just change the scale, and then we know that this is 6 meter. Just copy this one to the right by 6 meter, or you can even do a raise. I don't know. Maybe you can. I'll just copy this to the other side. We might just 26 plus 5. I'll just move this to the right by 4 meter. It need to be 5 meter. Sorry. Let's add another meter. So we can copy another one, 6 meter. Okay, do the same. Move it to the left, about 5 meter. I'll copy this one to the left, about 6 meter. And this is it. I'll just hide this. I think we forgot one. So most important one. So yeah, that one's fine. So we can just do a modeling place. Yeah, I should have done this one before the copy. That's fine. Maybe we can just do one and then we can just do array instead of copy. So okay, so in this one, let's quickly just place 1 point. So we will need 2, but let's place 1 reference circle, draw world plan, set world plan, pick this point, create this one. Maybe I'll just make it slightly bigger. So 300. So 300 diameter. So 150 radius. Okay. So I select this, copy, pick the point, pick new host, place it, select this, and this, and hang on. That's a divided surface. No, tab select. See, reference line. Control select these two, create a form. That's it. So place this to 0, place this one to 1. Materials. Let's give it. Looks like it's too thick. That's fine. So we can just change the size. How about 100? So 200 diameter. Yeah, I think that's better. And tab select. 100. And this is it. Let's give it a material. Or just use maybe. Let's just maybe use finish. Finish E F G here. Okay, so message. Okay, that's it. And also maybe I'll change the material. So here, yeah, because we didn't have we didn't create a parameter, so I'll just we don't even have finish in this family, so maybe just create one, rename. Okay, so this is it. Now I'm going to load this one into family 1, into family 2, into family project 2. Overwrite. Which means all the material for all these members will be finished. Will be the same as this one. Still thinking. Not sure about this. Let's click finish. Okay, so great. So now, yeah, good. Yeah, I think this is it. Okay, so now I'm going to just finish this, and maybe I'll just delete all this. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll use AR array AR, and to the right by 6 meter, and type in 5. And sorry, I just clicked too fast. So 5. Okay. Mass content both solid and mesh geometry, mass flow. Yeah, it should be fine. We're not using mass for mass floors or anything, so that should be good. And this is it. See, it's quite easy. Of course, the scale's slightly different, but yeah. So we just need to you just need to increase or reduce the grid size, increase the number of for the divided part, and then just try and also need to match the number, and also in this project, so you can see there's 1, 2, 3. So yeah, slightly different. So you might just need to manually place some family, right? So, and that's it. So I'll leave that part, but yeah, so you can see we quite easily create this. Go to here. Oh, sorry, this one should go here. I'll just quickly fix this one. Okay, so because I think when we try to move this one to here, so all these will follow because we place all these family onto the reference line inside of those families. So let's try. So I'll just go edit in place and then move to here. So maybe we can just use wireframe WF and then try to pick that point. So tab, tab, tab. It's a little bit hard to pick. I think that's probably that's not, is it? No, that's probably not. That's the one. I'm trying to pick that point. Yeah, I don't know if this is the correct one. So let's try pick new host. Yes. So now I'm gonna just move to here. I guess that's a point, and then place. Now you can see all these will automatically adjust to suit, to match this. So let's do another one. Tab, 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 tab. That's the one. Pick new host and move to here, place. Okay, and then we need, so you can see from here there's another one. From here go to there. So I'm going to, I think the size might be something like this one, so which is 100. Create component family 3. Yeah, family 3, 100 from this point up to this point. Let's do another one from this point to this point, and that's it. So escape to finish this, and now let's change to shade SD. Don't worry about this because once I click on finish mask, so they will disappear, and if I click on finish this group, it will repeat, hopefully. So we'll change all these. Yeah, Ravi is trying very hard. Trying very hard to calculate because yeah, I don't think there's a lot of difference because we only change this. Okay, almost there. Yes, great. Okay, so that's it. So now I can see all. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, of course, if you you have smaller panels, more bigger numbers, it will take slightly longer to generate this. Okay, so this is it. I'm going to find a better angle so I can do a screenshot. But okay, so this is it. If you have any questions, please let me know. Yep. And of course I will upload this family. Oh, not, yeah, model in place family, so you can have a play as well. Okay, so thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.